Hey guys, and OnePlus Z could be the best selling phone of this year. We have some huge leaks coming in on the specifications, pricing and the launch. OnePlus is also announcing the brand new OnePlus TV, so let's go and like this video right now. So if you users got this survey on Payback India and this asks how likely you are going to buy a OnePlus phone if it offers these specifications at this price. You guys can see the specifications listed: 64 megapixel plus 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel AI camera setup, 7655G CPU, 4300 mAh battery with 30 watts of fast charging. It also confirms 90Hz refresh rate. And on the design section it says front punctual selfie shooter, which we all know is coming to the center, in-display fingerprint and 6.55 inches Super AMOLED display. Now yes, half of these specifications are similar to the OnePlus 8. So if these specifications are legit, which I think is, it's gonna be an amazing phone for sure. And now comes a good news. It says the pricing of 6 gigs plus 128 storage is gonna be 24,999 INR, which makes it $330 US. So this is something that can easily blow the iPhone SE Google Pixel 4a in this game. Xiaomi as always is stuck in China. They'll take 2-3 months to launch the Redmi 10X in India and Europe. So Xiaomi is nowhere to the scene in the competition right now. We also saw OnePlus Z listed on Geekbench with 12 gigs of RAM, so there may be a few variants like 6 gigs, 8 gigs and 12 gigs like the OnePlus 8. And honestly I think 6 gigs is super fine, but you can always pick 12 gigs if you wanna do next level multitasking. Yes, OnePlus is launching the OnePlus Z this July and looks like we might have the official date. OnePlus is officially announcing the brand new TV on 2nd July, which you can say is an affordable TV. We also have some hints on the design as well. This is a flat screen TV with a curved back panel. And exciting part is we may see OnePlus announcing the OnePlus Z along with the OnePlus TV. We also know that OnePlus will be debuting the OnePlus TWS AirPods along with the OnePlus Z. So maybe it's gonna be a different launch by mid-July, or it's gonna be 2nd July only. I'm super excited guys. Yeah, I'll have more information really soon. So thanks so much for watching and like, subscribe for latest information. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.